Hey there, it's Tim with Jones Team Colorado, eXp Realty. Hey, we get a lot of questions about different types of loans and, what they're all about and stuff like that. Now, here's the deal. I'm not a mortgage broker. I'm not a lender. So we just wanted to refer you to some other resources. This is an article that was put out by Bankrate, and it talks about FHA loans, everything you need to know in 2020. So we're going to put a link to this in the video. First of all, here is a definition. What is an FHA loan? Well, first of all, it's backed by the government. It's a mortgage loan. It's the Federal Housing Administration. That's where FHA comes from. It's very, very popular with first-time home buyers, as well as because it does require a lower minimum credit score. Those folks that may have been, had some credit challenges, been through a bankruptcy, things like that. So it's very popular there. It also requires less down payment, a lower down payment, than most of the other types of conventional loans out there. And here's the thing, even though it is a government insured loan, there are federal approved mortgage lenders, and we can certainly point you in the right direction. So a little bit of information about how it works and those kinds of things, and then a little bit of description about that. One of the things that you need to know is that there is a mortgage insurance premium on FHA loans. So there's a little bit extra tacked on to your monthly insurance. This is another section. This is what you need to qualify for an FHA loan. So, listen up. If you do have some credit challenges, credit score of 500 to 579, they do need a 10% down. If you're above 580 or higher, you can qualify for that 3.5% down that you may have heard about. And then some of the other qualifications. So I encourage you to read through those. Here's some of the differences between an FHA and a conventional loan. Here's credit score minimum. So you see the 620 versus the 500. The down payment, typical down payments between 3 and 20% on a conventional, 3.5% on an FHA loan terms, and then mortgage insurance premiums, what those are tacked on a conventional versus an FHA. There are some different types of FHA loans. So again, you need to talk to a qualified mortgage lender, and we've got some of those folks. There's also something called an FHA 203K loan. These are specifically designed to help homebuyers purchase a home that needs some renovation, and it can all be rolled into a single mortgage. Okay, so again, a good program product to know about. But you really need to work with a lender that's well versed in that. And this tells you just how to go about finding an FHA lender, and again, we can help you with that. There are new FHA loan limits, and this is done basically county by county. And so again, you need to talk to a mortgage lender who can give you that. So that's kind of what's going on there. So here, we'll right down here at the bottom of the article, we've got a link, and we can certainly link you to the full article so you can read about it. We've got some other resources, and we can point you to a couple of great mortgage lenders who can help you out. We just wanted to be give you a quick overview about FHA loans. So again, I'm Tim and Sandy Jones Team Colorado, eXp Realty. We really appreciate you tuning in. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe, hit the red subscribe button here on the YouTube channel. If you're watching it on Facebook or some other source, be sure and go to our YouTube channel, check that out, because we're putting out great content all the time, just like this.